it's Krista with ArtisticVegan.com, and I'm happy to be with you today to bring you something very delicious. I made this for dinner for Gerald and I the other night and shared it on my story and got quite a few messages wondering what it was and how to make it. So I thought I'd show you, and it is some tofu that is pan fried, and it's made nice and crispy and delicious, and it's put over some vermicelli noodles or mung bean noodles, and then you add in some vegetables and your favorite sauce. So it comes together pretty quick and easy. First, you want to make your sauce and marinate your tofu. I went ahead and got mine going so it could be marinating for longer. The longer it marinates, the more flavor you have. So I went ahead and did that first. I'm going to get my tofu on the stove and get that nice and crisp, and then I'll get my vegetables sliced and get those going next. You want about a third cup to a half cup of starch, just enough to cover the tofu. And then you can add your favorite seasoning. I added about a half a tablespoon of some vegetable broth powder. This is optional, but you might as well because it'll just add more flavor. Just take your tofu and put it into the starch.